fuck was los? What the hell is that meaning? Get the fuck off, mate. This is totally fuck bullshit. Hello? What the hell?
Fight.
Corner isolation! Ich hab doch schon draufgeklickt. Was ist los mit dir? Schläfst du? Oh crap, sorry for that one. Sorry for that shit. Verpiss dich. Nein. I hate these setups here all the times on YouTube. Blah blah, let's go and here and there and just doing this shit. It's undead. Undead. The hell is that? Sorry. What the hell was that? Seriously. You need to check up your notifications. Claim your reward. Get people's interest in all the things, you know what I'm saying? Claim your reward. 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 Your rewards are still inbound. Oh, I give up. I'm so thirsty. I can't slap and slack up. Please give me that. Slack, 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 slack. Oh. Man, DjVolgin. Just keep moving, yo. That's it, what I'm talking about. Biru, biru, biru. Kampai. She's up Kampai and Schwabi Salute. I need something to drink before talking here. Ugh. Typ die übersehen. Muss ich mal selber mal aufschreiben. Welch Reisbäder? Das ist der Schmarrn. Ja, Krypt fix ist so ein neues Fahrzeug. Wie geht das nicht? Ah, da kriegt so die Haushalter. Hey, Honey. Boah, da was ist denn da? Ich bin so geil, Alter. Könnte auch zu mir kommen. Ja, schon wieder das falsche Feuerzeug, Junge. Haben wir doch noch so ein Fische oder so? Da muss ich schon wieder bestellen. Ne. Haben wir nicht. Gut. Passiert. Hey! Die arbeiten ja auch wieder! Yay! Freut mich, aber es sind schon wieder ganz andere Arbeiter. What's up, you punks? Oh, sorry, I just totally forgot. Yes, I'm researching. Can I? Or shall I? Prepare your fanciness! She's up campaign, that's sure this is so we've got a bit of next spin. And a warm welcome actually. Hell to all.
Hello all.
Just kidding. Bonsoir, my home. Give me that shit, y'all. We got a connection. Stefano from Italia. He can reach me.
To the jam URL.
Give me that mother. That. Just jamming it. Bitch. Give me that. What the pull? Oh, come on. Dude. Need a third person here. Not good enough of that stuff. I'm an asshole. Need to require. Actually, the accident. Could also have friendship, y'all, bro. Alright. Got a friendship. That's for sure. 8:43. I'm coming up. American. Okay. You accept. That's okay. Is he awake? Nope, he's asleep. Bounce it up. Joining. You're not gonna win this, you know that? You're not gonna win this one in here. Come on, it's going already.
Schlechte Wahl.
Your turn, Yamamoto. Ah, crack.
Fight.
Oh, what the hell, dude? Why? Stefano, why you do that? Let me play. But you understand what I talk to you, right? We can't win. Ah, buddy. Oh. Now I got it. He wants just to only fight and find out. Okay, gotcha.
DjVolgin looking for opponents. Get ready.
Shit, it's possible anyway. Mike's on, right? Oh, that's always this girls play, right? I'm so sorry for that one. We're just pumped up. No one. Oh, this crack. What's this dude doing? Oh, we can't play him. Oh man, we irritated. Wrong character set. Alright, I'm back. I'm sorry. Shoot yourself up. God damn it.
Flat.
Oh wow! Captain my body!
Determinated.
Done now.
Eat your quartz.
Alright, you playing this game?
Perfect hit.
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry.
Stay down.
Or should I talk like a girl? Stay down! Yeah, what the hell?
I'm not dead yet.
No, I'm dead.
Kann dich bereits schmecken.
Is the devil robot coming up? No? Ah, crack, mate. Crack, mate. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Oh, come on! What is that? This is a joke, right? The fucking Asgards. Yeah, don't watch like that. Next. Alright, what about we join in this sun? I'm not ready yet, hello! Oh, hell no. What the heck you doing? Time for a little cuddling. Oh, yeah. I don't think so.
Welcome back to the club. Yeah.
Oh, wow, resurrect very fast.
Round 2, fight.
Huh?
I'm sucking on your heart.
Nope. Oh shoot! Well, how are you doing Mercy? How the fuck you do Mercy? Oh, never found out. Cheers up. Nah. Why? Oh gosh. Cheers up, Kampai. Nasza obviously view, so we've got the next stream. Have a little nip in here, a little nip in there. Oh gosh, if I have her as girlfriend, I'm not waking up the next morning. Or maybe. Okay. Oh, ending game. I'm too loud. Good. I'm too loud. Let's see. Hello? Yeah, I'm definitely loud. Hello? Good, better. Mute game voice chat. This setting isn't apparently in the parties applied. So it's working, right? Oh, I'm so sorry.
Select a screen.
Oh shit, I lost my cigarette.
Shot.
Yeah, actually I'm a funny guy, but prove that stuff. Oh. Oh, to somebody else. Oh yes, okay. Do your worst, sir. Do your worst, sir. No, make that decision for fun.
Girls.
Jade, the hourglass.
Oh, you're kidding me. It's like two stepsisters actually fighting each other.
Bist du Freund oder Feind? Wir sind gleich, Jade. Das beantwortet nicht meine Frage.
Round one, fight.
Okay, number one. My turn. Waking up, mate.
Round two, fight.
good friends, right?
Here.
No connection left.
Too much harder, dude. Sorry for that one. Lost actually my fondness. Of course. Either one actually you want. Okay. Oh yeah, no problem. Shit, couldn't decide. Ah, so many ash in my nose. God damn it, in my lung. From this woodcut facility.
Mir helfen, die Zeit zu
I'm sorry.
Für eine finstere Zukunft?
Dark future. What kind of a dark future? Would you stop?
I'm the guy actually to drop.
Oh, you wanna grab me here? Yes, you do. There's nothing else like dropping here. Kick ass stuff. Surprise!
Get your knee down, god damn it! Grabbing time.
I like that. Down your knee. Grabbing time.
Grabbing time.
Oh my god, I'm fucking up here right now. Can't shoot somewhere else. Oh my god, I'm dying. Okay, here we go. I'm sorry for that. Oh my god, you. Okay. Have fun. Cheers up, Kampagne 2. Wir sind nicht so gut, weil großen next team. Da ist noch ein bisschen was drin hier. No, you have to do that for a trophy. Dude, Stefano. What's your name? Steph? Nams? Come on, duck down a lot. Come on.
Don't like me very much.
Must be a girl called Steph. I don't like girls. Ruin my whole life. Get away. Nah, we got each other. Male versus female, eh? What the hell? We talked about that one.
Final round, fight.
Gambarimasu.
Oh, what's wrong with her? Oh shit, what's wrong with her? Lass mich gerne belehren. Was stinkt? Was ist los?
WTH.
Sindel, Aaron Black, Kodo's Coliseum.
Gambarimasu.
I'm better actually in drifting, like actually fighting this stuff. But sometimes it makes fun. But this fucking fighting game. Better in drifting games. What the fuck I'm doing anyway in here?
Gerald, König von Edenia.
Darauf bist du ein wenig zu stolz, Elvira.
Round 1, fight.
Okay. This fox again. That your breath with this shit. Go for protection. Oh, this is so fucking not good. If he's ducking and slashing, how he can grab her? I mean, how he can't grab myself is the bullshit, mate. He won already. That's for me, actually, to say so. Yourself. Just boring. No style. No love, no nothing. This game sucks sometimes, and like I want to play forward a bit. It just pisses me off sometimes too much. It's because maybe I can actually go to the toilet and at the same time when I'm fighting. Lost fight, then I need to go to the toilet to pee off. I'm not a brutalized guy. Yeah, let's go. I don't care.
Melina, Jax, Retrocade.
Can't decide nothing. Why the enemy don't decide actually what kind of a play I'm using for? I'm already lost in here. I can't do that. Actually, nothing in here. This is bullshit. Like computer generated or something. See that? I can't even move. What shit is this? Yeah, of course you can do that. Oh, come on. This is so... I give up. Okay, that is so fucked up. What is that? Wanna have your stuff by yourself? You wanna have a chance? No? Then go fuck yourself. I can't even fight a bit. Can't do nothing, so I'm going to the toilet and going to shit. Have a nice time. What a piece of shit game is that? A cheater league or something? I'm sitting in the toilet right now because I can't even move a button, nothing happens. This is not fair. You have that from a bassoon or something? You're cheating all the times, everything? Pressing 3 buttons and combinations are coming up? I'm a toilet and shitting off reindeers, my home. There we go. whip off my ass because it doesn't matter. Couldn't even do a fight. What the hell we just did in here? I better go to the towers or something. That's so boring me off. Hey, can you help out? Maybe somebody that needs help in the living towers? No? You have no life or something, this crack? I'm from Bavaria, Germany? Come on. Little respect. Asshole. Yeah, thank you. I'm still sitting actually and my asshole is bleeding. You understand that? No? No respect about the aging. Trying as fast as I can as shitting in here. He needs to get fun for that shit.
Komm näher.
He don't let me know about mercy, all this stuff. You can ask him. He don't know about mercy anyway. Yeah, let's go, come on. I'm still on toilet. Drifting my lost life of brain action into the toilet. I mean, oh. I'm coming.
Little daughter, what are you doing with me?
Yeah, wonderful. This is live recorded and live streamed, by the way. Open your mouth wider, please. That's my controller. There it is. So you won? Just go. You know, fuck off. Can I have a little chance, mate, I say? Go to the living towers, to the brutal mode, where people's actually waiting to play the coop mode, right? If you want, can you go there, please? Against that motherfucker I'm playing right now. Go to the living towers and play that guy. You must be famous, damn. Tschüss, abkampagne, Sturm, ist die Lüsung, Goldbruch, der hört sich ja nicht, gell? Yeah. She's up high. Oh, what the? I can't even drink. That's a friendly. What the heck is going on? Let's try to do that. Boom.
Gotcha!
Round 2, fight.
Jetzt werde ich aber langsam sauer hier. Wann kommt der erst an? Scheiße, und ich wollte das zweimal zurückspringen. Yeah, if you have fun with that shit, go to the living towers and help other peoples out. And don't beat actually stupid peoples like me in amateur style. Fucking cheater board players. No. Sorry, sir, but this is bullshit. Oh, that music, right? You need to get that away. Sometimes it pisses me off. Hat er auch nicht, ne? Der Bub. Ne, hat er nicht. Ah, mein Gott, Alter, das machst du mit 180.000 Players. Das ist so nervig, Alter. Okay, und hier und da. Das ist so nervig, Alter. Ja, speicherst doch endlich, du Huren. Was ist los mit dir? Jetzt wird der Server das immer speichern, Alter. Ja, kann ich dann trotzdem... Ich meine, was ist das für eine Scheiße, weißt du, ich meine... Macht er wieder nicht. Musste speichern. Musste dieses komische X drücken, oder wenn nach dem... Ah, ohne Scheiß. Jetzt hör mir auf. Ich hab das Spiel langsam so satt. Nein, nein. Save. Ah, it's so complicated. Yeah, okay, blah blah blah. I have enough already. I have enough to customize stuff. Oh gosh. Oh. Why is it so complicated, dude? What's so fucking complicated? Shoot. Mal mit den Dingern. Kann ich einfach reinwerfen, weißt du, wie ich meine? Kann das sammeln oder so. Das ist shit. St. Hubertus Tropfen. Ja, dann mein Arsch auf. Schmeckt wie Badewasser mit Alkohol. Minzgeschmack. Aber es hat irgendwie Nachwirkungen. Aber es ist echt krass, das Ding. Leckt mich im Arsch. Schmeckt wie Weintraube danach. Rosetta? Wie was? Rosi? Wow, ich kann das nicht auswählen. Ach, jetzt bin ich Arsch wieder dran, oder was? Gerade haben wir... Oh, I'm so sorry. Well, just actually translate in here. We just was with... I can't remember. Ah, Baraka, here we go. My gosh. Here we go, myself. It's not myself. After DefRekka account.
Hope the best you can join. Excitement starts. Excitement starts. Gambarimasu.
What the hell?
Saw yourself.
That is not working. I think it's my turn or some shit. Alright. Oh gosh, why that? Wow. I'm waiting all the time for attacks, dude. Snake? What the?
Get inside this!
Yeah, of course, you're a little trap.
Little fucker.
What the how you do?
Ah, come on!
Holy shit! Raining hearts?
Push up!
Yeah, I know this mother.
Oh, come on!
Son of a nice one. Beautiful you are. Nice one, Rosat stream. Good one. You're on the live stream.
Punch! Oh! Yeah, pop!
Well, maybe we get a nice pop. Oh shit. It's sometimes this wall of concrete is coming on you and you just actually on him. He's just ignoring every defense on you. What the fuck? I'm on the next round. Oh, I'm standing in front of the toilet. Hold on. Need to grab me 2 beers as well. I think if I'm starting drifting right now on this CarX Drift Racing Online 2017. No, not today. Maybe. That's your rewards, not my reward. Your rewards, not mine. Enjoy it.
Suffer! Sandy guy.
Can I choose him actually? Just for fun? Yeah. Let's see. Oh God. Karate by もう遅いで。Gegen dem.
Der Karate-Junge schlägt zurück.
Du bist nur ein Foto. Pressiert mich nicht. Es passiert überhaupt nichts hier, oder? Ja, die Mucke regt mich ja so dermaßen auch schon wieder. Ah, ich glaube, die verstehen mich schon. Nee, wir werden diesen Scheiß haben. Oder so. So, what the hell I will try to do? Is that Mother Talker?
Black Dragon Fight Club.
Ugh, gosh. This background is so worse on him. Can't understand him. He likes it like that.
Wir hatten noch keinen Combat.
Round 1, fight.
That guy again.
Round 2, fight.
Das ist eine wütende Hausfrau, junger Mann. Vielleicht verstehst du das im Endeffekt. You killed your housewife.
No.
You killed your housewife.
Come for using you.
Round 1, fight.
This still living today. Auf der Ecke wird nicht rauskommen wollen und der Scheiß. Bastard, Alter. Fighting for Yuku. Some milk on you. Oh, warte, komm. Aufs Ende müssen wir doch warten. Yeah, big stuff. Alright, well, that's it. I have enough about these Amazon bite off, actually very quick console modes. Select yourself. If you don't want help, good night. Towers to say, always towers. What's these towers? Classic towers or towers of time? So we're going by itself.
Johnny Cage.
I'm more like the party boy. Never happened.
Komm doch, etwas näher.
Du saugst mir nicht das Gesicht ab wie bei Melina.
Johnny Cage, Angst vor einem Kuss?
Round one, fight.
happened. Das ist so ekelhaft und so langweilig.
Wo ist deine Angst?
Die ist wohl in meiner anderen Hose.
Wir finden sie. Round 1, fight. Round 2, fight!
Was hast du gemacht?
Stage,
Hier ist deine Bestellung.
Light.
Das meinte ich nicht mit Spagat.
Oh, hell no.
Fatality. Johnny Cage wins.
Lass mir mal live. So unreal. 肉感僕スコットイワ I'm getting old and odd. Verantwortung übernehmen. Tja. Selbst wenn ich betrunken bin. Verantwortung ist immer da. Aber es ist schwer auszuführen. Warum soll ich es machen? Ich bin Fische. Spinnt ihr? Ich brauche einen Partner. Und wenn ich keinen Partner habe, Alter, dann kann ich es vergessen. Dann kann ich mir Luftschlösser, dann kann ich mir auf den Tisch zeichnen. Ich brauche einen Partner, Alter. Der Markus ist kein Partner für mich. Er ist zu verkapselt. Ich brauche jemand, der frei ist. Der wortwörtlich frei ist. Oder ich gebe auf. Ich tue schon seit sehr langer Zeit sehr viel für die Firma. Und es wird einfach böse angeschaut. Ich brauche einen Partner, verdammt nochmal. Sowas wie ein Alexander. Aus fertig. Nichts mehr. Kannst du mich vergessen, Alter. Kein Partner. Habe ich keine Ehre. Keine Ehre heißt Scheiß aufs Leben. That's a nice song. Oh la la la. Ah, you know what? No one's watching. Let's go to drifting. Scheiß, schaut da hier keiner an.